Today's project is we're going to lay this warm board subfloor. This is a structural subfloor, 1 1/8 inch thick. You can see here, this is where all the PEX tubing goes. Pretty slick. First thing when laying out any subfloor I like to do is I like to snap a line for the first row. So I measured from the edge where we're going to start, made a mark. We'll do the same thing over here. We'll snap a nice straight line. This first row has got to be perfect. If you don't start straight, you don't end straight. All right, got the warm board down. Pretty darn simple. Stuff is super rigid. This is rated for outdoor use, so it can be outside during construction. Obviously, we've already got our roof on, so we're good to go. But it's got basically like a coating and a aluminum material on the inside. And the way they do this is like aluminum, you can see. Very easy to work with. It's very thin, flexible, but it radiates heat. Very nice. Comes in different pieces. You've got pieces like this that are going to be straights. All they are straight runs. Down here you got guys that they're called lefts because the rounded ends are on the left side of the sheeting. And then you got pieces that you can cut in half that'll have rounded edges on this side, and then also rounded edges that you can use on the other end. And then you've got your rights, which are going to be rounded edges or your loops on the right side. You kind of just get your layout to warm board. They figure it out, whatever. There is a cost if you don't do it yourself, so I recommend going to the website, looking at the different products they have. It's very simple. You can lay out your floor design and then they will ship it to you. Stuff is super awesome, rigid. And then also what they do is around the perimeter, where it gets into odd measurements, they send you out, or they can send you out 1 1/8 inch matching plywood And if you want to put a run here, they give you the templates to make a router bit. They send you all that stuff. Pretty cool. Very cool product. Check them out, warm board. I'll put a link down in the description. What do you think, Cole? Is it good?
Yep.
You think it's gonna be strong enough to support whatever Grandma and Grandpa are gonna do here?
Yep.
I think so.